Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to use the new YouTube on YouTube. So if you guys would like to go ahead and actually use this new YouTube on the new YouTube update, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. I want you guys to go ahead and launch the YouTube allegation first. My view tab should be located over here onto the lower right corner of your screens. Know what? New with V. New tab is basically the option for us to locate the specific parts of, like, let's say our account page. You could actually go in and see that just in one location over on our U tab, and also our other settings as well, our playlists, and our history located over here. Now this is a new layout on the new YouTube update, so it is basically now called the U tab on the newest update. Basically, that's all you guys need to know about the new U tab. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video as well, and subscribe as well if you guys earn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.